Setting up direct deposit on Shopify is a straightforward process. Let me walk you through it. First, go to shopify.com and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard of your store. In the dashboard, navigate to Settings and then select Payments. Scroll down until you find the Manual Payment Methods section. Click on Manual Payment Method and then choose Bank Deposit. You'll then be prompted to enter all the necessary details to set up a bank deposit. And that's it. You've successfully set up direct deposit on Shopify. I hope you found this guide helpful.